Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the new awesome AMZCHEF blender, or the professional blender. It is an Smoothie Maker 2. This is an awesome device. 2000 watt power commercial blender with 2-liter BPA free Tritan container. And that's not enough. You can go up to 25,000 rounds per minute, a motor, high-speed juicer with 8 speeds control. We have an LCD light crystal diode displays panel and 4 presets for ice, juice, smoothie, and nuts. Wow, this smoothie blender equipped with a 2000 watt motor and 8 sharp stainless steel blades rev up to 25,000 rounds per minute, high cutting efficiently, and the food can be completely mashed in seconds, and its cell wall rupture rate is a high as 90% or more, which can maximize the extraction of nutrients and vitamins from the food. This is the best blender for the elderly and children. Of course, the children should have a look a little bit. Take care of your children if they are using that device here. Don't put your fingers into the blender while the blender is working. That's not a good thing, okay? But this is all blenders out there. Take care of you. That's not good. Perfect for fruit and vegetable juices, handmade nut butter, frozen desserts, baby food, and more and more. The electric blender, equipped with 8 variable speed control and 4 pre-programmed settings. You can choose juice, grind, ice crushing, smoothie. Oh yeah. This allows us to refine every texture food with culinary precision. With LCD display screen, easier for us to know the current speed or use it as a timer. The built-in pulse function for added control and precision for perfect blending. Healthy food made smart and easy. And 2-liter professional blender pitcher. It is perfect for making large batches of creamy smoothie and frozen drinks for us and our whole family. It is constructed with durable, impact-resistant and BPA-free Tritan material. With a stable base, noise reduction pad makes it much quieter than others on the market. Non-slip handle and the plunger directly above the jack for easy loading of ingredients for the smoothest blending results. And we can easily clean the pitcher through running the blender with some warm water and dish soap for 30 seconds after we are done with the cooking, avoiding the injury of the hand washing the inside of the pitcher. An extra cleaning brush is included in the package to better remove stains. All accessories are dishwasher safe and easy to clean. There is a safety lock on the base. The blender will stop working when the body and the jug is separated. This is a really nice blender. It includes a user manual and a recipe book for us to better use this machine. And it makes a good job. AMZCHEF. They want to serve us with affordable and high-quality kitchen appliances for better quality of life. And that's right, they have really much good devices on the market. I like them very much. Over 20,000 rounds per minute high-speed motor, 8 sharp blades, 4 smart presets, 2-liter Tritan container, 8-speed control, and less than 78 decibel. Of course, a blender in this dimension is never silent. This is the law of the motor because it's so powerful. But under 80 decibel, that's a good thing. We have a professional, multifunctional, powerful tool here. 2000-watt powerful mixer for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. The AMZCHEF mixer is a professional mixer that is perfect for making large quantities of creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole fam. Also perfect for large quantities of delicious margaritas and daiquiris. With AMZCHEF Professional Blender, daily nutrients is not far away. Fast living often requires a quick supplement. This blender here can be an easy way to balance the daily nutrition we need. We use a blender instead of a juicer. We can have the whole fruit without wasting fiber. This keeps the overall nutrition of the food in balance. We have 4 pre-programmed settings and 8 speed controls. The pre-programmed settings include the smoother, grind, ice crush, and juicy for improved control and precision. The AMZCHEF puts us in control. We adjust the speed at any time during the blend to achieve a variety of textures, from silky smoothie to chunky salad dressing. And the blades, 3 layers and 8 stainless steel blades, made out of high quality hardened stainless steel blades. 8 sheets with 3 PLY mixing on the multiple levels to improve the efficiency. Precisely chop, dice, shred, and much more. It can pulverize even the touches of the product into a smooth liquid. Ideal for smoothies, soups, and powdering nuts into butter. Everything to offer us delicious mixes and better experience for years to come. And humanized lid plug design. Convenient to add food during the operation and prevent food from splashing out. The package includes a pusher to ensure efficient mixing. And we have an improved double security protection. The better fix the picture, they've depended to overlap between the 2 pieces and added a secure pin to make the picture more stable while working. And they don't affect as easy for moving the jug out of the base. And we have a recipe book. It contains over 45 ideas for smoothies, drinks, desserts, sauce, butter, cocktails, milkshakes, and much more. We can learn many new and useful tips about healthy eating and drinking. And high-speed motor easily breaks cell walls to free more nutrients. Most nutrients are stored in the epidermis, bones, nutshells, vegetable sticks, etc. They are rich in anthocyanins, phytochemicals, calcium, vitamins, trace elements, etc., etc. After breaking the wall, not only is the taste delicious, but digestion and absorption are faster. 2. And with a self-cleaning function. We can clean the mixer. We set the pulse mode and let it run for 5 up to 10 seconds. Clean individually, wash in the dishwasher upside down. Hand wash with soap water, rinse and wipe dry. Job's done. And with a great heat dissipation. Cool down the machine in time to extend the life of the machine, of course. And we have 4 smart programs. The speed and the time of these programs are set by default. These programs have pauses or changes in the speed throughout the cycle. We make sure that the pulse switch is at off position and the marker on variable speed dial is in position O. We're pushing the on and off switch up to on, and the blender will enter in the standby mode. On will appear on the LCD display screen. Then we simply press one of the 4 programs key. It will automatically start blending under the selected program as we like. Count and time number in white colors will be displayed on the LCD screen. The pulse function does not work when the machine is running under the 4 smart programs. The program will automatically stop after it's completed. Alternatively, we can press the currently running program button again to stop the program, and the blender will enter into the standby mode. Or we simply turn it off. That's easy, isn't it? We have it and we can use it easily. And it fixes nearly all our problems. We can crush ice with it, no problem. That's really cool. We push the can of crushed ice into it. Then we start the crushing ice program. After approximately 1 minute, oh, there is smoothie, not smoothie like, that is slushy like. Foam is done to get some liquor into it and have a good drink for it. Then we have the possibility of smoothies. Get in the vegetables, add some milk, for example, add a little bit of what you like, and then push the juice, the button, the default setup, and then you have awesome smoothie jobs done after 1.5 minutes. Or you make a juice program. This juice program will make so good job that you have out of your vegetables, for example, your fruits, for example, after it like a juice. Really awesome. Or you use the grinding thing, so then you can make, for example, peanut butter. You take peanuts into it, start this program, and after a couple of minutes, you have peanut butter. That's really cool. And there are so more other options to make delicious food with that, or rise up with new recipes. This is an awesome blender and a smoothie maker in one. AMZCHEF 2000 watt commercial blender with 2-liter BPA free Tritan container and 25,000 rounds per minute high speed juicer with 8 speeds control, LCD display panel, and 4 presets programs for ice, juice, smoothies, and nuts. Energy class is A+++. That's really cool. That's delicious. You will see. You will make a better life with such a blender here, for example, because it is so healthy to drink a lot of these vegetable juices, these fruit juices, and it's easy to do that because you have such a nice device here. This is a professional blender by AMZCHEF. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.